So hi and welcome back. So today we'll be discussing how Marshall McLuhan and the medium theory evolved over the time. Throughout the history, the communication is an important phenomenon for the development of the human history. Researchers believe that the content as well as the medium which is used to transmit the content is highly important. During ancient times, the stone carvings and cave paintings were the only form of the dissemination for the information. Only a few people knew how to read and write, and others were mere listeners. As the time has passed and communication technologies have developed, people have started to engage and take their own decisions rather than being just a listener. It is evident that this helped the society to grow faster and effectively, and due to today's internet facilities, we can also convey the information immediately from point A to point B. As we see the world from these different mediums, researchers have found it very important that not just to examine the message but also the medium used to transport it. The medium theory is a set of approaches used to convey the difference in the meaning of the message regarding with the medium used to communicate the message. The core assumption of this theory is that medium, just as we consider, is not just the channel which is used to communicate the message but also the setting and the vast environment which makes the communication happen, and it may also sometimes vary the sense and the meaning of the transferred information. We can observe the influence of media on our society in many ways, since media has been used for transmitting information. In the initial days, media usage was very limited due to the lack of information and the usage availability. But now, a common man can read and have access to any information which he desires. So, this theory tells us how a medium is influenced in propagating a message both physically and psychologically. This can be useful to study different mediums and how they can be beneficial in transmitting different forms of information. So, like the English saying, a picture conveys 1,000 words. Not every message can be conveyed appropriately with a picture. So, to contradict this statement, Marshall McLuhan stated that the medium is the message, which fairly explains us that the medium is equally important as well as the message. Marshall McLuhan is considered to be the greatest philosophers in communication theories. His work in the field of communication theories is often contemplated to be the milestone in communication and media. Marshall McLuhan is also known for his very famous statement, "The medium is the message," as he states that the medium which is used to transfer the message is equally important as the message itself. To support this statement, he also further stated that the message is sometimes altered or modified due to the medium which is used to transmit the message itself. Marshall McLuhan was heavily inspired and influenced by the work of Howard Innis, who provided an insight on how media has influenced social lives. He also stated that the media plays a major part in the development of the human society and is dependent on how the information is transferred. Marshall McLuhan insisted that the medium itself was a message and not the content it delivered. All media works over us completely. They are so persuasive in their personal, political, economic, and aesthetic, psychological, moral, ethical, and social consequences that they leave no part of us untouched, unaffected, and unaltered.